Hi, welcome to another video brought to you by Autowave. In this video we're going to show you Lonsdor K518 using a Toyota emulator in a lost key scenario for your Toyota Prius. Now this covers the 09 to 14 models. So as you can see, there's no key detected and it's a lost key scenario, and you can hear that we've got our booster bleeping away, which is connected to the battery. So we've got a solid battery supply. So I'm going to go to IMO and remote. I'll then go to Toyota, select from type, all smart key lost, all key lost. Now I previously already bound my emulator to my device, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a backup of the eprom data. And what that's doing is that's reading the data from the vehicle, allowing me to make an emulator to start the vehicle. So as you can see, we're just going to press OK. It's communicating. It says it takes up to 3 minutes. I normally find that it's a bit quicker than that. So let's see how long it takes. So it's read the file. I'm just going to save this one as P1, Prius 1. Okay, so EEPROM data backup success. Now what we're going to do is we are going to make an emulator key. How we do this is we put generate SKE. So this makes a spare master key, and obviously then it allows us to start the vehicle and add another key in a spare key scenario. So I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to use P1, and then I'm going to, as you can see, it says key cat 1 and the key type is 98. That helps you to select the type of aftermarket key. We've got this one from autowave.co.uk, and the emulator is a type 98 emulator. And if you go to the next screen, it tells you to use the green emulator. So what we're going to do, as per the instructions, we're going to press the round button, put it in the slot and hit OK. Now you have to watch how you put it in the slot. So as you see here, it says data writing failed. So I'm just going to turn it around and put it in this way. Do the same process again. And there we go, key generation complete. And I showed you doing it wrong because it is quite a common thing to happen. So now what we'll do is we're going to start the vehicle using this emulator. So I'm going to press the power button, touch the power switch with the key and depress the brake pedal, and now as you can see, I can start the vehicle. So now we have actually made it into a starting vehicle. You can hear from this one the cat's been stolen because this is actually a live scenario. So the next stage, let's show you what we have to do. So we're going to now add the smart key. We've got the emulator, that is a working smart key for this vehicle, and we have a new smart key bought from Autowave. As you can see, it doesn't work the central locking, and when I put it near to here, it says depress brake pedal and touch power switch with key. I'm doing that, it's not allowing us to go to the next stage, so it's not a working key, as you can see quite clearly. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add smart key. Make sure smart key battery is full, very important to make sure you've got good batteries in both keys. Put the emulator key, a workable original key, close to the ignition switch. So as you'll see, it says on there, depress brake pedal and touch power switch. Now it allows me to actually start the vehicle. But I've got the dashboard lit up, so that's good for me. I'm going to hit OK. It says it's got one registered key, which we've got as the emulator. Right, put the backside of the registered key close to the start button and you'll hear a little bleep. So if you listen out, vehicle made a sound, and now it says within 30 seconds put the back of the key to be registered close to the car. Now we're going to listen to the beep twice. So if you listen out, there we go, 2 beeps. So I've removed the key now, you got 2 beeps, and we're just going to wait for the procedure to finish. So just going to wait another few seconds. And there we go, operation complete. Count of registered keys 2. And the reason you got 2 registered keys is because I have one here and I have another one here. So now let's try and start the vehicle. So I'm going to hit OK on the screen actually, and it goes back to our main screen. I'm going to now try and start the vehicle. So before you'd see it wouldn't start. Now we've got a working vehicle and it starts. And the remote central lock-in is also working. As you can see, the locks are scrolling. So that you've gone in the space of less than 10 minutes from an all keys lost situation on a Toyota Prius using an Autowave aftermarket key and a Lonsdor emulator and 518 device to having a working key situation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. All products available at autowave.co.uk.